Do you want to lie down? Do you want some water? Just relax there for a bit. No, just relax a bit.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to the first vlog of 2021. I'm super excited because after Christmas, hold on, I feel like I'm gonna rant a little bit. I just enjoy vlogging so much, so I think I'm going to post more frequently and just like post regular videos and just throw in some vlogs as well. So hopefully you guys like that. Kane and Kayla are on their way here. We did have a Zoom meeting scheduled, but it got canceled, and that's them. They're on their way up. I want to make ice. So if you guys watched my gift swap with Kane for Christmas, he got me this ice maker, but it was on back order. It just came in and I'm obsessed with it. It's literally so heavy to get down. This is like the cupboard where I put all my appliances that are way too big, like air fryer. I'm scared I'm gonna rip the air fryer down too. Very heavy. Wasn't exaggerating.
Hello, mate.
Hello.
What's happening here?
Just making some ice because I just used it all and I thought you would want a coffee.
Oh, I do. Thank you, pal.
So you literally just fill it up with water and then it makes ice in like 7 to 15 minutes and she starts. In the meantime, I'm gonna open up these packages. Kane just hooked it up. He just had all of these because I get all of my packages delivered to Kane's house. Kane's actually gonna open these up. Which one do you want?
The big one.
That was obvious. I actually know what this is. I'm so excited about this. It's from the Lullaby Club. How cute is that little bag? Like a little beach bag moment.
First thing we picked up is this linen thing.
She's a little like beachy. Feels so nice.
Oh, we got the matching set. Oh, hell yeah.
I think this is a collab with Elsa's Wholesome Store and the Lullaby Club. Like, low-key, I feel like you could wear this. I feel like it's meant to be a dress on me, but for you, it would just be a shirt. Thank you, guys. Okay, so first things first, I asked Kane to get me some like LED strip lights. I didn't mean all the LED strip lights in the whole entire universe, but thanks. And then we got some film. Film has been sold out at every single store ever, so I exclusively have to buy it online right now, especially because I got a new film camera for Christmas. I have this little mascara from Bite. Ooh! Kane and I might be the only people that find it fascinating when the ice falls off. Wow.
My favorite thing.
Look at how fancy she is. Just pushing off the ice. Still don't think that's enough for your coffee though. I have 2 rooms in my house which I just don't really know what to do with. They're normally both a mess. One still is. We won't show you guys that one. But this one used to be super messy and I just relocated like all of my desk stuff. The idea is I want to be able to do more like fashion-y content and be able to film it in here. So I just set this up. I did film a fashion video the other day, so I need to just tidy up this. I also have some clothes and just junk over here which I threw here. I want to start putting some of my stuff up onto Depop, which is everything that's on the rack just here. So sometime in the near future I will get to doing that, but for now stealth. Let's clean this bitch up and get it all cute. This is still happening. You can hear when the machine is done, and every single time Kane runs over to have a look at the ice fall out. I ended up having to buy more coat hangers, which I did not want to do. The idea was I wanted to just get rid of clothes, so I had coat hangers, but seeing as I'm gonna be getting rid of my stuff on Depop, I wanted to hang it up and keep it all nice. Wow. I feel like this room has so much potential. Look at this little light Kane bought me. I'm obsessed with it. Looking so much better. I still feel like there's a little bit of work that needs to be done over here, but at least it's tidy. I think because I have such a collection of film rolls now, I'm just gonna like put them down into one of these baskets. They were just sitting at my front door and it's getting kind of cluttered. Perfect. Honestly, I'm pretty obsessed with the space now. This beanbag isn't meant to be in here, but I brought it in when Kane was doing something on the computer the other day and I was trying to talk to him about work, so I kind of like it. I don't know if I should get a different little chair to put this back in the movie room, but for now, it's cute. I'm so obsessed with how this room turned out just because this, like the greens and the little like rattan baskets, I feel like they all go together so cute. Honestly, this light is such a vibe, but it's also Kane Foster's brand. Like, Just in case you guys were curious, I have this little swimsuit on today. It's from Beginning Boutique and just these little Glassons jeans. These jeans are so comfortable. I think I might put a little headscarf on if I don't get lazy later, but I really like this outfit. I opted for the headscarf. It's from Ruby. They have so many cute headscarf options right now, and we're gonna go take some film pics because ever since I got my film camera, I haven't got any of them developed, so I have no idea how they're gonna look. I'm so excited. We also have this disposable.
3 left on it.
3 left, and then these ones, Kane thinks that he might have ruined this roll of film. We'll see. It's also lunchtime and I haven't eaten all day and I'm literally getting hangry, so we're gonna deal with that too. We just came to this cafe. It's called Commune. We actually already sat down. I'm really just filming this for the sake of being a decent vlogger. Smells so good. It must be like right next to the kitchen, like up in this window. The boys are getting bulletproof coffee. How do you feel?
I'm actually nervous. A lump of butter with coffee sounds disgusting.
It sounds
but I'm gonna try
gross.
it.
Bulletproof coffee taste test.
Interesting.
What did you get this try?
No,
Bulletproof.
coffee.
Oh, what do you think? An acquired taste, I feel.
Look, I probably wouldn't get it. But I'm still glad I tried it.
We got the food. It literally all smells so good. I got a little eggs Benedict.
He just had a sip of his coffee and he's like...
The bulletproof coffee was not a hit.
We're just waiting for Sarah because she's currently in the bathroom because after her food she needs to go to the toilet.
Alrighty, we're gonna take some rooftop film pictures because we have one more shot left. My stomach hurts. This is pretty much where we come every single time we have nowhere to take photos because it's literally the easiest, cutest little rooftop spot, and you get like the buildings in the background. Wow, Insta model. Behind the scenes of an Instagram. Okay, we thought we had one pic. We had about 5.
But we're done now.
We're getting it developed straight away. We're gonna go get margaritas. So they have this little pop-up bar at Pacific Fair. I'd never had an amaretto sours until last time we came here, so I'm gonna get that. I like low-key also want a margarita though, so.
What are you guys gonna drink?
Their table is like so freaking wobbly. Cheers, guys! 2 seconds later.
I'm
You
on
okay?
my 4th drink. Then
It's the next day, guys. I didn't finish the vlog yesterday, but I thought that I would continue it on because I kind of have an interesting day anyway. Kane is getting Botox. We're also gonna go get some lunch, and by get lunch, I mean we couldn't decide where to go, so I suggested that we go to Taco Bell, and I am so happy about that decision. I think I want to try and do like some fake freckles. I've tried a bunch of different methods, like using a dark eyeshadow and stuff, but the best one that I've seen is using a bronzer and the end of a bobby pin, and then just like putting it, and it looks kind of crazy at first. Sometimes I end up not liking this. I actually have freckles, but when I put makeup on, you like can't see them anymore. Do they look like freckles or do they just look like makeup dots? I think this is so cute that this is a trend. I remember once at my birthday party, we were playing a game and everyone had to answer who they felt like had the most freckles, and everyone voted for me, and I was so sad. So it's cute that it's a trend. Yes, I still have up my little Christmas decoration. Honestly, this was up for all of 2020, so she's gonna be here for probably all of 2021 as well. I'm wearing these comfy shorts, so I want to find a top that goes with them a little better. I thought that I was gonna like do a little cute outfit, but I'm too lazy, let's be real. I literally always end up wearing this top that looks like a child's top from Brady Melville. This is the fit. I feel like she's pretty cute. I'm so hungry when I'm gonna go get lunch for another hour. So my boyfriend made these, I don't even know what this is called. I'll put it on the screen. I want to call them like donut balls, but I feel like that is not what they're called. They're definitely not healthy. Hey babe, what are these things called?
Quark.
What? Okay, I can't say that. I have made it to Kane's house, and as you guys can probably tell, I made another outfit change. I'm not sure if anyone's gonna come out. I'm gonna call Kane. Is he ignoring me?
What up, mate?
Hey pal, are you coming out?
Yeah, I can do that if you want.
I am so excited that we're going to Taco Bell and not somewhere serious. Get in, losers.
I was about to say, what up, fucker?
That would be really mean. Everyone hype for Taco Bell?
Guten Tag. Hello.
Okay, we made it to Taco Bell and I've just realized that this guy has stolen my shirt and I did not approve. This was a borrowing you the shirt the other day, so
And
you
I'm still borrowing it, I'm not done with it.
No! Time for Taco Bell. Gonna bring my glasses, can't read the menu. Now we just gotta find our friends. I feel like pretty much everyone here got themselves a crunch wrap.
We actually all got the exact same thing.
$2 taco.
The same kind of taco that you make at home. That's good.
I'm honestly kind of jealous. I wish I had got that. Kane is about to go and get his Botox. I'm nervous because last time we were there.
I honestly wanted to throw up and faint, which never happens with me because I usually love needles and watch them go in, but I hated it.
Like last time the doctor was worried about him because he was like almost fainting to the point where his current doctor prescribed him something to calm him down.
And I'm still not calm. Not to mention, this is just like the price you gotta pay for Beauty Pal. Not to mention, it's $1,500.
You okay, pal?
Honestly, no.
How do people normally react to this? Like, are they chill?
It's not me.
It's kind of crazy seeing it like disperse.
Do you want to lie down? Do you want some water?
He needs some water.
Just relax there for a bit. No, just relax for a bit.
How was it?
It was horrible.
Kane got his reward. Frappe.
Cheers, guys. That was a traumatic experience that I only want to do every 3 months.
We withheld a little bit of information. Kane actually, whilst appreciates the fact that he will look like a 12-year-old for the foreseeable future, Kane actually gets migraines, so
It
that
helps with migraines. It has helped quite a lot.
Also, like, this bitch wore my t-shirt to go get Botox injections all over the back of his like shoulders. This is not a considerate thing to do. Let me know if you want Kane.
Traumatized again.
It was a laugh. I enjoyed it. Okay, bye.
Peace.